Alright y'all, so today we are going to be making chicken pesto stuffed manicottis. For this we have some manicotti noodles, some flour, some chicken, some basil, lemon juice, milk, pine nuts, butter, garlic, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with our chicken. I have 2 boneless chicken breasts. We're going to get our casserole dish, and I put a little bit of oil in here. Just going to give that chicken a quick toss in that oil and also spread it around. Just a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm just going to hit mine with a little bit of sea salt. I'm just going to keep it simple. But now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes until this chicken is cooked. At that point, I'll bring it back. Alright y'all, so our chicken is done. We're going to go ahead and actually put these chicken breasts in a mixing bowl so they can start cooling down. And then we're going to start getting ready on our pesto and our sauce. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we have a medium-high heat. We got half a cup of our pine nuts. We're going to go ahead and toast these for a few minutes. Alright, so after a few minutes, our pine nuts are toasted. We're going to go ahead, pull these off the heat. Alright, so now in our food processor, we're going to take about 4 cups of basil. And we might have to give this a few quick blends. We're going to take a half a cup of our olive oil. Then we're going to take our pine nuts. We're going to take a tablespoon of our garlic. Then we're going to take a tablespoon of our lemon juice. We're going to go ahead and get this pulsed up really good. Then we're going to take a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese. Then once we have a really good puree on this, we're going to go ahead and set it to the side. We're going to start making our sauce. Alright y'all, so we're going to go ahead and start by getting 2 tablespoons of butter melted. We're going to go ahead and throw half a tablespoon of garlic in there. And we're doing this on a medium heat. Now we're going to take a tablespoon and a half of flour. And once that's all thickened up, we're going to take a cup and a half of our milk. Then we're going to give this a good stir until all that flour and butter is dissolved into the milk. We're going to hit this with just a touch of salt. Once it comes up to a light simmer, we're going to gradually start adding in half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Once that Parmesan cheese is melted, we're going to go ahead, cut the heat, remove this from heat, and we're going to go start shredding our chicken. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and easily shred our chicken. Alright, so now we got our chicken shredded. We're going to go ahead and drop in our pesto. We're going to go ahead and give this a really good mix. So now we're going to bring in our casserole dish, which still has the liquid, that olive oil and the moisture that came out of the chicken while it was cooked. That moisture will be vital to this. Now we're going to take our manicottis, and we're just going to kind of diligently stuff them. If you're Chicken is cooled down enough, you can just do it with your hand. Once you have them stuffed, just going to go ahead, place them in, and continue. Alright, so once we have our pasta shells stuffed, we're going to go ahead and put on a solid layer of mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to take our sauce, spread it out, cover it out pretty good. Then we're going to go ahead and cover this and throw it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. Mine took about 45 minutes. It's done. I'm going to go ahead and plate it up real quick. I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, and there you have it. Chicken pesto stuffed manicottis. If you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.